Have you ever thought that a simple combination of castor oil, baking soda, and water could help alleviate up to 5 health issues in just 1 week? In this video, we're going to dive into this mixture and explain why it's been used as a natural remedy for centuries. Stick around until the end because you'll be surprised by what this powerful blend can achieve in just 7 days. You might be wondering how this mixture could possibly be amazing. Let me tell you. This concoction has been used for years as a natural treatment for various health problems, and different cultures have relied on its therapeutic properties, making it a popular choice for improving skin and overall health. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, is known for its ability to reduce inflammation, fight bacteria, and alleviate pain. On the other hand, baking soda is recognized for balancing skin acidity, detoxifying pores, and exfoliating dead skin cells due to its alkalizing and exfoliating properties. When castor oil is mixed with water, its thick texture becomes easier to apply and absorbs better into the skin, helping its active ingredients work more effectively. The way castor oil and baking soda work together makes them more effective in treating a variety of conditions, such as skin irritations, joint pain, and minor infections. Castor oil aids in boosting blood circulation and reducing swelling, while baking soda cleanses the skin and balances its pH. Interestingly, there isn't a lot of scientific evidence to definitively prove that this specific mixture cures a wide range of conditions, but some studies do support the healing properties of this remedy. Without further ado, let's explore the incredible benefits of this unique combination. Improving digestion. Digestive problems are more common than you might think, especially as we age. Feeling bloated, dealing with constipation, or struggling to digest certain foods can easily become part of your daily routine. If you've experienced any of this, you know just how frustrating it can be. But what if there was a natural remedy that could quickly and effectively improve digestive issues? Castor oil and baking soda might just be the key to instant relief. Castor oil is known for its natural laxative properties. When consumed in small amounts, it can stimulate the intestines, helping them move more efficiently, relieving constipation, and promoting smoother food passage through the digestive system. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil stimulates the muscles in the intestinal walls, allowing for smoother movements and preventing the bloating caused by poor digestion. Meanwhile, baking soda is famous for neutralizing excess stomach acid, making it an excellent option for combating heartburn and acid reflux. When the stomach's pH becomes imbalanced, it often leads to discomforts like burning sensations and pressure in the abdomen. To treat digestive issues, combine a small amount of castor oil and baking soda into a paste, then apply it to the abdominal area, massaging gently. You'll begin to see results in less than a week. Detoxing the body. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins, whether from processed foods, environmental pollution, or other factors. Over time, these toxins can accumulate and negatively impact our immune system, digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Fortunately, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a powerful and natural solution for detoxifying the body. When applied externally, this mixture stimulates the lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins from the body. A study published in the Journal of Natural Medicine found that castor oil can enhance immune cell activity, promoting tissue cleansing and helping the body eliminate harmful waste. Castor oil is often used in detox therapy due to its ability to stimulate the liver, the main organ responsible for filtering and removing toxins. Baking soda, on the other hand, is a natural alkalizer. Many toxins create an acidic environment in the body, which can lead to inflammation and other health issues. By balancing the body's pH, baking soda helps neutralize this acidic environment, fostering a healthier internal system. Drinking a diluted baking soda solution can also assist in flushing toxins through the kidneys, facilitating whole body detoxification. When combined, castor oil and baking soda create a powerful detox approach, and within just a few days, you may find yourself feeling more energized and healthier. However, it's important to remember not to overuse castor oil or baking soda. The best course of action is to consult with a medical professional before starting this routine. Natural relief from headaches and migraines. Headaches and migraines can be debilitating, often interfering with daily activities and significantly lowering the quality of life for those who suffer from them regularly. Finding an effective remedy without side effects can feel nearly impossible. However, the combination of castor oil and baking soda offers a natural and quick relief option without the need for chemical medications. Castor oil, known for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, is highly effective in treating headaches. When applied to areas like the temples, forehead, and the back of the neck, it quickly absorbs into the skin, helping to alleviate pain. Additionally, drinking a diluted solution of baking soda in water can help restore pH balance in the body, which in turn provides relief from headaches caused by such imbalances. This simple, natural remedy can offer rapid relief, allowing you to manage headaches and migraines effectively without relying on pharmaceuticals. So if this combination is consumed regularly, you can clearly see the result of its consumption in a short period of time. Instant relief from nasal congestion. If you've ever experienced nasal congestion, you know just how uncomfortable it can be. The stuffiness in your nose, difficulty breathing, and pressure in your sinuses can affect your sleep and even make simple tasks harder. Fortunately, castor oil and baking soda can provide natural relief and quickly ease this problem. Castor oil, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce the swelling of the mucous membranes that often leads to nasal congestion. When applied externally to the sinus areas like the forehead and around the nose, it helps open up the nasal passages, making breathing easier. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil stimulates circulation in the area, enhancing its natural decongestant effects. Baking soda is also a powerful decongestant on its own, especially when dissolved in warm water. It helps clear the airways by loosening excess mucus and reducing inflammation in the nasal cavities. By using this combination, you can experience quick, natural relief from nasal congestion, making it easier to breathe and reducing sinus pressure. Before we share the most important tip in this video, wouldn't you like to know the fascinating effects of castor oil for people over 50? Check out the video and share your thoughts in the comments. When purchasing castor oil, one crucial point you must consider is the type of castor oil you are buying. If you purchase oil that is unsuitable or expired, not only will it lack any benefits, but it could also cause harm. Here are some key factors to keep in mind. Quality and purity. The castor oil you choose should be 100% pure and natural. Avoid oils that contain additives, preservatives, or other chemicals. Scent. Pure castor oil typically has a mild scent. If the oil smells unusually strong or off, it could be a sign of low quality or contamination. Packaging. Castor oil should be stored in dark containers, such as dark glass or plastic, to protect it from light and heat, which can degrade its quality. Also, be sure to check the production and expiration dates to ensure freshness. Don't forget to subscribe and welcome to channel.